Good morning, students. So in previous classes we have learned about measures of fertility. There were four measures of fertility, that is general fertility rate, second one crude birth rate, next a specific fertility rate and total fertility rate. So we have solved the problems on this. So this concept's over. So next concept today we are going to learn is reproduction rate. So there are two reproduction rate, gross reproduction rate, that is GRR, and net reproduction rate, NRR. So we have to see what is this and we have to solve the problems based on this concept. So what is gross reproduction rate? Okay. So it is defined as sum of annual woman specific fertility rate. As we have seen in a specific fertility rate, here we have to learn about woman specific fertility rate, WSFR. Okay, of entire reproductive span without mortality. Means we are ignoring the death rate. Okay. So what is the formula to calculate GRR, gross reproductive rate, I into summation WSFR. What is R? So R means magnitude of the class. Magnitude means width of the class. Suppose the class intervals are 5 to 10. Here what is I? 5. If class interval is 10 to 20. Here I is 10. Okay. So I into woman specific fertility rate. Okay. Now woman specific fertility rate. How to find woman specific fertility rate? Here is the formula. F of B of X, F of P of X into 1000. Okay. As we have seen in crude birth rate, B divided by P into 1000. Like that only we have to find. Here we have to take woman birth. Okay. Number of female child birth. And here total female population into 1000. So we will get here woman specific fertility rate. Okay. So after solving the problem, we have to make one conclusion. Okay. How? If gross reproduction rate is more than 1, then population is increasing. If GRR is less than 1, population is decreasing. And if GRR is equal to 1, so the population is constant. Means neither increasing nor decreasing. Okay. So this is gross reproduction rate. Now let us study the problem based on GRR. Okay. So here is the problem. First problem we are solving based on gross reproduction rate. So calculate GRR from the following data. So here age group is given. Female population is given. Female births are given. So what are the ages? 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 46. Then female population is given 1000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, then 400. Then number of births are given 20, 60, 50, 30, 20, 10 and 10. Okay. So this is the problem based on gross reproduction rate. Age given. Now you can see here what is the I. I means class interval 15 to 19. Here class interval is 5. Female population is given and female birth is given. So we need one column to solve. Okay. So let us start with woman specific fertility rate. As I had told you, the formula for woman specific rate is F B of x divided F P of x into 1000. Okay. So we need to solve WSFR column. Okay. Here we are going to solve. Okay. One by one we have to solve. B means female birth. P means female population. Okay. So one I will solve here for the age group of 15 to 19 I will solve. Okay. FB of x, female birth is how much? 20. Female population of this class interval is 1000 into 1000. So here answer is 20. Okay. So we got here 20. Same way you have to solve 60 divided by 900 into 1000. So answer is 66.67. Same way 50 divided by 800 into 1000. Answer is 62.5. Okay. So go on solving. 30 divided by 700 into 1000 is 42.86. 20 divided by 600 into 1000 is 33.33. 10 divided by 500 into 1000, 20. 10 divided by 400 into 1000 is 25. Okay. So this is woman specific fertility rate. Now total this column summation WSFR is equal to. So total of this column is 270.4. Okay. Now what we are told to calculate? GRR, gross reproduction rate. Okay. So now we are solving here. Gross reproduction rate is equal to formula as I told I into summation WSFR for the age, childbearing age. The childbearing age I had told you earlier 15 to 49. Okay. So what is I? I means class width. Okay, the difference is 5. Summation WSFR, total of this column 270 divided by 270.4. So simplify. So answer is 1352. Okay, what is GRR? Gross reproduction rate 1352. Female births of 1000 women at childbearing age. Childbearing age 15 to 49. Means what is it here? For 1000 women, 1352 is gross reproduction rate. Okay. So now we have to find gross reproduction rate per woman. This is for 1000 women. We are going to solve for 1 woman. Okay. So what is the formula for that is gross reproduction rate divided by 1000. So gross reproduction rate 1352 divided by 1000. Answer gross reproduction rate per woman is 1.352. So this is the answer. Now after solving the problem, we have to make the conclusion. Okay. I told if population is more than 1, if GRR is more than 1, then population is increasing. If it is less than 1, population is decreasing. If it is equal to 1, this means it remains constant. Okay. Now here GRR is 1.352. It means it is more than 1. Okay. So since gross reproduction rate is more than 1, therefore population is increasing. Okay. So this is the problem on gross reproduction rate. Okay. So we'll solve one more problem. First one. We are going to solve second problem. Calculate gross reproduction rate for the following data. So here is the problem. First one, age group. Next, female population. Next, female births. So this is given. Okay, we need one more column to find weighted specific fertility. Okay. So class intervals given 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, and 45 to 49. Now, female population is given 15,580, 11,120, 15,950, 16,290, 16,270, 15,220, and 14,000. Okay. Then female births are given 189, 711, 969, 642, 349, 108, and last one 8. Okay. So this is the given problem. Similar to last problem we are going to solve here. First one we have to find woman specific fertility rate. Formula F B of X F P of X into 1000. So for this particular, for every class interval we are going to solve woman specific fertility rate. Okay. So one I'll solve for the age group of 15 to 19. Okay. So if B of X means female births are how much in that class interval? 189. So total female population of that is 15,580 into 1000. Simplify it. So answer is 12.13. One sample I have done there. Remaining we have to calculate their result. Okay. So now calculate here for second 20 to 24. 711 divided by 11,120 into 1000. Answer is 63.93. Next one 969 divided by 15,950 into 1000. Answer is 60.75. Next 642 divided by 16,290. Answer is 39.41. 349 divided by 16,270. 21.45. 108 divided by 15,220 into 1,000. 7.09. 8 divided by 14,010 into 1,000 is 0.57. Okay, after that, total this column. Summation woman specific fertility rate is equal to total is 205.33. Okay, so this is the woman specific fertility rate. Okay, now solve gross reproduction rate, GRR. What is the formula? I into summation WSFR for the childbearing age 15 to 39. Okay, I class intervals for all this difference is 5. 15 to 19 5. Difference 20 to 24 class interval is 5. So 5 into summation woman specific fertility rate. Here summation is 205.33. So calculate 205.33 into 5 is 1026.5. Okay, 1026.65. Female births of 1000 women at childbearing age. It means for 1000 women, 1026.65 female child are born. Okay, now we have to find gross reproduction rate per woman. For one woman, how much female children are born? For that, formula is gross reproduction rate divided by 1000. Okay, so here is the gross reproduction rate. Answer 1026.65 divided by 1000. Okay, so answer is 1.266. Okay, so for per woman 1.2665 is the GRR. So you have to make conclusion here. So how you can make conclusion? GRR is more than 1. So the population is increasing. Here gross reproduction rate is more than 1. Therefore population is increasing. Okay, so this is about second problem. Okay, any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Now one more problem we will solve. Third problem, calculate GRR. Okay, so they have given age group, female population, and female birth. Okay, so we need one more column also. So age group is 15 to 19. So they are given childbearing age only, all 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, and last one 45 to 49. Okay. Then female population is also given. Question 16,580, 12,120, 16,900, 16,200, 16,000, 15,200, and last one 14,100. Now female birth is also given. 190, 700, 980, 650, 400, 110, and last one 10. So this is the problem given. Now we have to solve. Okay. First we have to find woman specific fertility rate. Formula: F B of x F P of x into 1000. So we need woman specific fertility rate column. Okay. So one will solve here for the age group of 15 to 19. Female birth of this class interval is 190. And female population for this class interval is 16,580 into 1000. So answer is 11.4595. Okay, right here 11.4595. Okay, so similarly solve second one for the age group of 24 to 20. 700 divided by 12,120 into 1000. Answer is 57.7557. 980 divided by 16,900 into 1000. Answer is 57.988. Next, 650 divided by 16,200 into 1000. Answer 40.1235. 400 divided by 16,000 into 1000. 25. 110 divided by 15,200 into 1000. 7.2368. Okay, and 10 divided by 14,100 into 1000 is 0.7092. Okay, after solving this WSFR, total of this column summation WFSR is equal to 200.2729. Okay, so this we have got WSFR. We need this to solve gross reproduction rate. Formula I into summation WSFR for the age group of 15 to 49, that is childbearing age. I, the difference between this all class interval is 5. So 5 into summation WSFR 200.2729. Multiply it. So answer is 1001.3645. Okay. So this is the answer. This is for 1000 women. So you have to find per woman gross reproduction rate per woman equal to GRR divided by 1000. So 1000 1.3645 divided by 1000. So answer here is 1.0013645. Okay. So here the GRR is more than 1. It means population is increasing. You have to write here conclusion. Okay. So here GRR is more than 1. Therefore population is increasing. So like this you have to make conclusion for every problem. Okay, otherwise marks will be cut. Okay, so today we are learn about cross reproduction rate. So next class we will learn about net reproduction rate. Hope you understood the problem. Okay, so if you have any doubts, contact me and solve this in your stat notebook. Okay, thank you.